Welcome to today's Granada houses video. We're here to show you this super corner plot with large house that has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you can see, we're going to start with the house. So we go into a nice large entrance hall and turn to the right first. We have this good open plan sitting room, dining room. As you can see, it's a few steps down into the sitting room area, kind of like a sunken sitting room with log burner, and then dining room and an extra little bit just there. This is the first of the bathrooms, and as you can see, it's a shower room, so it has everything that you need. Very simple, tiled floor to ceiling. So we're in the province of Granada and we're close to the town of Iora. We're about 35 minutes to Granada city and about an hour and 15 to skiing. So you see we come in here to a fitted kitchen. And then you have a separate pantry and a laundry room through here, which also has direct access to the garden. So the house and storerooms outside add up to just over 600 square metres, 300 square metres, sorry, and the land is just over 600 square metres. There's a ground floor bedroom, good size, a decent double, and there's modern air conditioning in the rooms. So let's go up. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click like and share, hit the notification button to be informed of all our videos as we upload them. Leave your comments and suggestions in the box below, and also you can request viewings either from the comments section or by email or phone. So top left at the stairs is this lovely bedroom. Again, good central heating with aircon that also heats, built-in wardrobe and a nice little balcony. These windows are going to be replaced in the next few days for modern double glazing. As we go through, another good sized bedroom with built-in wardrobe. This is the final bathroom. As you can see, it's going to need some updating, but it's a good size space. And the last bedroom is the largest room. Lots and lots of space here, and we have 2 lovely terraces. So one at the front. This is the street side. There's also a very large garage with this house. And the other side, we have another nice terrace, and on a clear day you do get a view of the Sierra Nevada. So there's lots of lovely spaces to just sit and chill, and obviously here you're going to have a view not just over the countryside but also of the town. So everything is walking distance. If you need schools, doctors, shops, it's all here in the town, and there are some also top class restaurants in this town. So I'm just going to go back downstairs and then I'll show you around outside. So we're now outside. I'm going to show you around the plot. The entire plot has some walling and some fencing, so it's completely secure. It's great space if you have dogs because they won't be able to get out. So this is a nice sort of patio area for barbecuing and things. You have some garden. There are several fruit trees already on the plot and some almond trees. And as we come around here, this is where you can get straight into the laundry area. And at the back here you can see there's lots of storerooms. I'm going to show you those. The swimming pool is about 7 by 4 and it's very deep. It's 170 at one end and 190 at the other end. It does need work. I would probably recommend that you put a layer of concrete in the bottom to raise the height of the floor so that it's much less deep than it is right now. Also, the pool will need to be repainted, but if you're going to raise the level of the floor, it's a good opportunity to completely retile and have the whole thing serviced. So here we have the little chicken shed with some chickens and bantams inside. So you see lots of room, good storage. Hello girls. Of course, if you wanted to, you could possibly turn this entire area at the end here into a separate apartment. And then there's a second storeroom. This one has a traditional fireplace in the corner. And this one, another store. And all of these new windows that you see will be put into the property. And at the end here, I can hear the owners opening the garage door, I hope. We come in to an extremely large garage. Oh, no, it wasn't them. It's about 10 meters long. And this opens out onto the street. So you can see there's lots and lots of room here. So this is a perfect place for somebody who wants a large house with a really good sized garden, with a pool, but that's walking distance to everything. So in terms of location, this is absolutely super. Yes, there are some things to do in the property. You may want to update the bathrooms and the kitchen or make it more your own style. But right now it's completely livable and it's being sold furnished, so you could literally just move in and then do whatever you need to do as the time goes on. So I've now shown you the entire garden and the property. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click like, share and notification. And we very much look forward to showing you this Spanish townhouse and helping you find your perfect property here in Andalusia. Thank you for watching.